How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? It's Flack. Multi-chamber exhaust. In one of my other videos I had stated that one of my exhaust designs didn't succeed. Well, actually it did. It just needed some tweaking. Alright, we got our first baffle in there already. Or our chamber separator. That's just to hold this oh no, wait, not that one. And this one. That's to hold this one in. And this is just to wedge it even more so that it doesn't come flying apart. Which it has. It shot all the chamber separators out. Excuse me. Okay, now that it's stuck in there. Other chamber separator. And even the ridges of the can hold it together, so. There you go. Alright, time to put it on the two-stroke. There we go. Unfortunately, the exhaust putty I used cracked. So I'm going to need to hold this. And it does get slightly warm. That wasn't supposed to happen. Alright, here we go. Yes, it was starting to get very hot there. Ouch. Yeah, see, it cracked. No, wait, that was the crack right there. That's even worse. So, doesn't really fit on nice. Try to run it again. I'm gonna go get a glove. Mm-hmm. Wonder how hot that is. Kinda. Yep, not the best of my exhausts, but it works. Not very quiet, but very deep. Expect more exhaust soon. Comment, rate, and subscribe. It's right down there now. If you can, please hit the like button, which I think is somewhere around there, and the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.